What's going on, my friends? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today of Bitcoin. Right now, we're sitting at $96,500. What I want to do today was come on, guys, and tell you, number one, not to freak out. You know, being in the space for 7 years, I've seen many of these corrections, retracements, whatever you want to call it. I do believe, as we follow the trend here, we're going to be looking at the weekly candles. I do believe we are still going to be going higher, but we still may have some pressure put on us for a little bit longer. And the reason I say that is when typically we look at corrections in the Bitcoin space, we can go anywhere from 15% down to about 35, 40%. And, you know, just as an example here, if we take a look at our 7-month consolidation, which was very difficult for everybody, we went down 33% and we moved sideways for 7 months before we got this straight up move here. And this has been a straight up move. And the reason, guys, I know Jerome Powell's trying to ruin the party here, and we're not going to get as many interest rate cuts next year as what people were anticipating, and the quantitative easing hasn't started yet. And I know people are stressed out about that, but I still believe the smartest thing you can do in this space is not get shaken out, have the courage of your convictions, and I do believe that this bull market is going to continue. It just may take some time here. And if we're taking a look at the correction that we've had, we've been down about 15%. So realistically, guys, if we go 20%, that could put us at about $86,000. If we do the big 30%, 33%, that could take us back to a retest of our breakout area. Now, the reason I don't want to see us go that deep, obviously, is because it's going to take a good amount of time, and then, you know, just trying to break up through previous overhead resistance areas, which can be tough. But if we do drop down to a level that's this low here, then we have so much work to do to try to get back up through. All right, so say we only drop down into this range, the $88,000, $86,000 range, we have much less to go to try to get up to a new high than if we go so low. So we use up all that buying power just to get back up. And then if we get rejected, that's when things get ugly. So right now we're looking to see how much retracement we get on this weekly candle. So far, this would be a bearish engulfing candle. We want to hold this previous week's low if we can, and that's going to put you around $94,400. Overall, though, stepping back at this, guys, look at our money flow. Even with this, 15% down, whatever, our Chaikin money flow is still at a positive 0.35, and that's going to put you right here. MACD, we have not crossed to the downside. Everything's still okay as of now. And then our lazy bear squeeze, we have not even gotten into the white yet, which we may after this weekly candle close. But still, overall, I don't think this is a spot to panic. Now, people are saying, are you buying? Guys, I'm not anymore. My buying is done, and I am essentially I have limit orders, and when those limit orders are hit, things are sold, they're done, and then that's it. And I'm not going to hold any altcoins through the bear market. Like, when I'm out, I'm out. And I'm going to patiently wait. I'm going to, trade in the stock market and different things like that. But when I'm out of the altcoins, I'm out, because I've seen these. Even the best altcoins can go down 90% or more in a bear market. So I don't think we're there yet. I think we could have more time to retrace, correct. That's definitely something, it could even take a couple weeks. I don't know how this is going to shake out, but I still anticipate us at least going back up and retesting this previous all-time high of 108, then potentially going up to around that 125 to 150 has kind of been the range that we've been looking at in this bull market. And, I hope to be wrong. I hope it goes much higher than that. I hope it can go to 250 or whatnot. But, guys, Bitcoin's getting larger and larger in every cycle. I'm seeing those diminished percentage returns essentially. So, you just got to be realistic with things and take that profit when it can benefit your life, when you're able to pay things off. And, guys, don't go through the pain of a bear market. It's brutal. So I just want to tell you that. And I do believe a bear market will be coming down the road. I don't think we're done with them. So that's just my opinion. God bless each and every one of you. Love you guys. Don't panic.